Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, October 16th. A strong cold frontal system passed through the I-95 corridor late last night. It was associated with a few showers. Residual clouds and showers this morning should give way to some sunshine. And then temperatures late tonight, early tomorrow morning should drop to the upper 30s in many suburban locations along the I-95 corridor. In fact, frost is likely in some places like east central Pennsylvania, northeastern Pennsylvania, upstate interior New Jersey by early tomorrow, as temperatures in those areas could drop to the low to mid 30s. High pressure will move in from the Midwest and virtually control our weather for the rest of the week. It looks like a pretty nice week. It'll be a cool week, and again, this is the coolest air mass of the season so far. The 30s by tomorrow morning for many locations in the I-95 corridor. Here's the latest surface map. That strong cold frontal system extends from Maine all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Again, we'll see the radar in a moment, but there are some showers in the southern and eastern sections of the I-95 corridor right now. They're pulling away gradually. Clouds will give way to midday and afternoon sunshine in D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City. The breeze will kick up out of the north to northwest, and high temperatures this afternoon will be confined to the low 60s in most areas and then drop quite rapidly tonight once the sun sets, again reaching the upper 30s in many suburban locations by early tomorrow morning. Notice the strong high pressure, kind of a dual high, one over the south central U.S. and one over the Great Lakes. This area just expands to the east over the next 24 hours or so and virtually stays stationary for the rest of the week, giving us a nice week, a dry week, and again, quite cool for the first half of the week and pleasantly cool for the second half of the week. It doesn't look like we'll reach 80 degrees for the entire week in D.C., Philly, and New York City. High temperatures either in the 60s for the first half or 70s for the second half of the week. And again, stationary look to the high pressure over the northeast U.S. for much of the remainder of the week. Well, here's a look at the latest radar loop. Again, some showers along that cold frontal system pressing now to the south and east of the I-95 corridor. Still could be a residual shower, let's say in the southeastern suburbs of D.C., anywhere across southeastern Pennsylvania or New Jersey over the next couple of hours. But by the midday, skies should be clearing from the northwest to the southeast, and that breeze will pick up out of the north to northwest. Temperatures will not move much from where they are right now. Again, holding in the low 60s for the most part this afternoon, and then noticeably dropping after sunset tonight, bottoming out in the 30s in many suburban locations by tomorrow morning. Well, let's quickly walk through last night's 06Z GFS model run. Again, the big player for the rest of the week will be strong high pressure moving into the mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S., and it stays virtually stationary and giving us nice weather for the most part, dry weather right through the rest of the week. This is the forecast map for right now, early Monday morning. That cold frontal system moving towards the east coast. Again, some showers we just saw on radar basically on the south and eastern side of the big cities will continue moving southeastward. Let's move ahead here, 6-hour increments. By tonight, notice high pressure moving from the Midwest and heading towards the northeast U.S. Again, we'll have a breeze picking up over the next few hours out of the north to northwest. And this high jumps right on top of the mid-Atlantic region by tomorrow morning, setting us up for very chilly conditions. The coldest temperature so far this season, late tonight, early tomorrow. Again, many suburban locations to the north and west of D.C., to the north and west of Philly, and to the north and west of New York City will experience the 30s for the first time this year by late tonight, early tomorrow. And again, there can be some frost, especially across the Lehigh Valley, Poconos, interior sections of northwestern New Jersey by early tomorrow morning. Let's just push ahead again in 6-hour increments. These maps, by the way, available on tropicaltidbits.com. This is now tomorrow night. Still, high pressure just sits right on top of the region for the most part. Right through the week, we're now into Thursday. Continuation of that high. Let's just go ahead right into the upcoming weekend, Friday. And here we go. By Saturday morning, that high pressure system still sitting right on top of the Mid-Atlantic region. By the end of the week, we'll have high temperatures in the low to mid-70s. Very comfortable for this time of the year, for any time of the year. But again, the coldest temperatures so far, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, in the I-95 corridor, with many suburban locations bottoming out in the 30s by tomorrow morning. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.